Hey everybody, I've got this pet grooming kit, this model GK02 for an unboxing and review. This is a sweet dog grooming kit. So it's got the main piece there itself, and then look at all these accessories you get. Of course, it's got the charger here as well. Here's what the end of the charger looks like. Of course, it's USB. It's got that round one there, little brush. Now look at this. This is kind of cool. So it's got, it almost looks like two pieces. Normally it is on other vacuums, but you push this and it'll slide this thing up like that. If you're done using that, just want to use the regular, put it down like that. Different length attachments there. Here's the buzzers. These are pretty self-explanatory. You know, the different levels here, and then of course power there. Here's all the different attachments. Oh, that's nice. This is cool. A lot of unique features on this one. Oh, that'll get the hair off. So you brush, do like that, and it pushes the hair out. Really cool. Great idea too. Now the plug for this is underneath it. Right here, go ahead and pop that off. Nice. See how long this cord is. I like how it wraps up underneath there. I'd say that's at least an 8-foot cord, maybe 10. Another nice feature that I just noticed, but these things are rubber here, and that way when you set it like that, it won't slide as easy. It kind of sticks to the table a little bit better. The charger here is for these shears right here. Go ahead and get this plugged in right now. Well, there's what it looks like when it's charging. That just snaps right in there. And your attachments just go right on this end here. And we're all plugged in, just about ready to go. Okay, now for emptying this thing, after you get to using it, you just push down on this and then lift up on this lid right here. It's got a filter there. It's got a filter there too. Now, if this gets dirty, I think I'll just blow that out with an air compressor. So that's nice. Snaps right back in there. Kind of hard to see it right now. Maybe you can kind of see that a little bit, but what you do is you press it. Just press it to turn it on and off. Now it's on. And once it's on, you just take it and turn it up. It's got 16 speeds to choose from. It's on 3 right now. Well, and here's a look at these shears too. I just charged it all up. So we'll go ahead and turn the power on there. And you can see that's low, medium, and high. And you can operate these things by themselves, but it's nice. It hooks right up to your vacuum attachment. Attachment will be put on there as well. Just going to leave this on high, on 16 for now. open this thing up, almost let all the hair go. You just push on that. You just push on that blue button. That releases the bottom. I'll show you. The bottom just comes out of there. Get all that hair off of there. Couch attachment.